Hi, it's Juliet from WTI. Do you have issues actually applying what you've read about in your life? That's why I got this book. So I've read the book about boundaries by Nedra. It's amazing. And this workbook takes it a step further. So there are so many exercises, it's all exercises, where you can write down your thoughts, what you think, the things you've learned, affirmations to help you put into place what you've learned. It really makes you think and apply it to your life and your personal circumstances. And that's what you really need to do in order to do the work. So like I said, it's one thing to know what boundaries are, but another thing completely to actually use them in a respectful way and to be kind, but to still be assertive. So this workbook has really helped me. I've had a lot of issues in the past setting proper boundaries, but with this, I have come a long way. So if you're looking to actually do the work, get this workbook, and that's my point of view.